Hey everyone, check out the Victagen Bike Lights, offering an impressive 3000 lumens with 9 modes and 3 brightness settings controlled by one button. These lights feature a fog light and red light mode for safe riding in rainy or foggy conditions. They are USB rechargeable and double as a power bank to charge your phone or other devices on the go. With up to 10 hours of battery life, they keep you visible to motorists from over 200 feet away. The rear tail light lasts up to 450 hours, ensuring you stay safe and seen during night rides. Installation is a breeze with a quick-release mount that fits handlebars from 22 to 35 mm and rotates 360 degrees. Plus, the package includes a free replacement mount within 1 year for added convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.